Under the Microscope in the Kitchen by Miss Jean, April 2020. What is it? What do you think it is? Remember, it's really close. It's a Kroger ad, a newspaper ad from Kroger. What is it? It's my cat Rossi, up really close. What is it? It's a lemon. What is it? Remember, it's really, really close under a microscope. It's a knife. What is it? Remember, all of these things are found in my kitchen. It's coffee. What is it? It's my kitchen table, really close. What is it? It is a scrub brush. What is it? Remember, all these things are found in my kitchen. It's a chocolate chip cookie. What is it? Remember, it's really, really close. It's sugar under the microscope. What is it? It's a flower. What is it? It's my dog Chloe. Really, really close. The end.